Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to do the loudspeaker test on the Redmi K40, which is also called as the Poco F3 device as well. As you can see, friends, the Poco F3 and the Redmi K40, they both have the same kind of specifications and everything. So this will be the perfect video where I'll be demonstrating you how is a loudspeaker in this Redmi K40 and the Poco F3 device. So first thing is that I'll be using this small sound meter bar, so which will be monitoring the sound quality, and the phone has got a dual stereo speaker setup, so one on the top and one in the bottom. And one important thing is that on the top you can see there are some small grills over there, which are kind of small holes. So let me try to use this SIM pin. I am trying to keep it inside, as you can see. So there is a small holes happening, friends, here. So this is the air blaster, and these are small holes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 holes available on the top side. I think that is where the stereo sound effects might come. I am guessing so. So let's check what's gonna happen. And in the bottom we do have normal holes, as you can see, 5 in the bottom. So this is where the speaker is, and this is where the other speakers are. So this is a perfect location for the speaker. I would like every time on this side, right side of the phone, because whenever you try to play the game, it will you cannot even block the speaker grill here. That's a major advantage of having the loudspeaker on the top side. So these are the few physical dimensions about the loudspeaker. And for more videos on this Poco F3 device, so make sure to follow me regularly, and also do check the playlist for more important videos and a lot of comparison reviews, friends. So let's begin the test by playing the audio file. So right now I'm trying to play the audio, friends, and let's see what will be the vibrations on the back set. So this is what major concern is. So is there any vibrations or not? So let me try to play the video right now. So clearly, friends, the bottom one loudspeaker is slightly more than the top one. So that is one thing to notice here. So during this time, I did not see much kind of problem. So when the vibrations are not so much problematic on the back side, but definitely I'll try to do the in-depth testing on these vibrations on this back panel. So because we did have a very bad experience with the previous version from the Poco X3 device. So let's see whether that problem is got fixed or not with this kind of phone. So make sure to follow me regularly, friends. I'll be doing so many in-depth reviews on this Poco F3 device in the future, and don't forget to comment below if you want me to do any other video particularly. Definitely I'll do my best to cover that kind of topic in my channel. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.